Hi, so let's start with the set. Now, this is a relatively easy set. It's just that you have to figure out who is coming in when and who is going out when from a lounge, okay, or into a lounge. So, there are 7 faculty members at a management institute who frequent a lounge for strong coffee and stimulating conversation. On being asked about their visit to lounge last Friday, we got the following responses. And these are the responses we got from these 7 people. So the 7 people are JC, JP, SM, SS, DG, PK, and VR. So VR gave no comments, and there are certain comments which are made by the other 6 regarding when did they visit and whom did they meet and when did they come out of the lounge. Okay, so let's make a timeline sort of. This is the start and this is going to be the end, and let's look at these statements one by one. Okay, so let's start with JC first. What does JC say? I came in first. JC was the first one to enter. Okay, so JC came into the lounge first. Fine. And the next 2 persons to enter were SS and SM. The next 2 people who came after JC were SS and SM. So JC was already there when SS and SM came in. Okay. Next, when I left the lounge, JP and VR were present in the lounge. So let's say JC leaves at this point here. So when JC left, JP and VR were present in the lounge. So JP and VR were present in the lounge. DG left with me. So JC के साथ DG left. That means, so since JC के साथ DG left, DG must have come sometime here between SS and SM and JC leaving. यहाँ कहीं बीच में DG आया होगा and JP and VR would also have entered somewhere here. Okay. And since यहाँ पर if you talk about at this moment, SS and SM are neither present in the lounge nor did they leave with JC. That means SS and SM would have left sometime before JC left. ठीक है? So JC came in. Immediately after JC, SS and SM came in. बीच में कुछ हुआ, DG आया, JP आया, VR आया, and SS and SM left in between, and then this happens. Okay, this is what the information we can gather from the first two or the first statement. Now let's look at JP's statement. When I entered the lounge with VR, so JP and VR, both of them enter the lounge at the same time together. JC was sitting there. There was someone else, but I cannot remember. Okay, so when JP and VR, both of them came in, JC was already there, and there was someone else who JP does not remember who it was. Okay, so यहाँ पर there were only 2 people when JP and VR came. One was JC, one was another one. But if you look at before JP and VR came, JC had come in, SS and SM also came in. SS and SM also came in. That means SS and SM they would have left sometime in between probably. ठीक है? Or DG came in somewhere. It could be either before JC or it could be either before JP and VR or it could be after JP and VR. So ये जो दूसरा person है, it could be any of these 3. It could be either SS or SM or DG also. We do not know yet, so let's figure out it by a few other statements. Next is SM. I went to the lounge for a short while and met JC, SS and DG in the lounge on that day. Okay, so SM went in. SM met JC and SS. Okay, JC, when SS came in, SM came in. JC was already there and he met SS also because he came along with SS. And he met DG also. That means before SM left, DG also came in. And SM would have left before JP and VR came in, correct? If SM left after JP and VR came in, he would have met JP and VR also, but that's not the case. So that means SM left before JP and VR came in, and before SM came in, DG also came in. Fine. Next is I left. SS says I left immediately after SM. SM के immediately बाद SS चला गया. Okay. So now this person, the second person which JP was talking about would be DG here. So JC came in, JC was already here. When DG came in, JC was already here, SS was already here, and SM was already here when DG came in. Then SM left out, SS left out, you are left with JC and DG only, and then JP and VR come in. This is what is happening. This is what the information we can gather from the first four statements. Okay. Now let's look at DG's statement. I met JC, SS, SM, JP and VR during my first visit to the lounge. See, DG comes in at this point and goes out at this point during the first visit. बोला हुआ ना first visit. That sort of gives us a hint that DG will again come into the lounge. So when DG comes in, he meets JC, SS and SM. Correct? When again JP and VR come in, DG is already there in the lounge, so he meets JP and VR also, and then he leaves along with JC. So that's what has happening. So he meets all these five people during the first visit. I went back to my office with JC, so he's going back to the office along with JC. When I went to the lounge second time, JP and VR were there, so he visits the lounge again. DG again visits the lounge. JP and VR were there, so only JP and VR were there. That means when he left, only JP and VR were there. So when he came in, JP and VR are only there. That means no one else came into the lounge between him leaving and coming back. Okay. Then PK says, I had some urgent work, so I did not visit in the lounge that day, but just collected my coffee and left. So PK basically came and immediately left. JP and DG were the only people in the lounge while I was there. So JP and DG were the only people. Is there a point where JP and DG are the only people in the lounge? At this point only JC is there, DG is there. See, यहाँ से यहाँ तक JC तो है ही है. So let's not look at till this point. During this timeline JC is always there, but we do not want JC. So ये line, इतनी timeline ignore करो. From here till here you have JP and VR both of them, but we want JP and DG. So DG तो है ही नहीं यहाँ पर, so leave it. Now इसके बाद देखो JP, VR and DG are there, but we want only JP and DG. That means VR would have left some time here, and at this point PK comes in and immediately leaves when there were only JP and DG in the lounge. Okay, so this also satisfies the statement made by PK. JP and DG were the only people when he came in and left immediately. Okay, so this is the timeline that we have. Now let's look at the questions. First question, based on the responses, which of the two, JP or DG, entered the lounge first? So of JP and DG, JP comes in at this point, DG comes in at this point. So DG entered the lounge first, hence the correct answer is option B, DG. Next question is, who was sitting with JC when JP entered the lounge? So when JP entered the lounge, JC के साथ कौन बैठा हुआ है? DG बैठा हुआ है, तो इसका आंसर भी हो जाएगा ऑप्शन C, DG. Third question, how many of the 7 members did VR meet on Friday in the lounge? So VR किस किस से मिला? This is the point where VR comes in. Okay, so VR meets JC, VR meets DG. Now this is the point where he leaves, so he meets no one else. Now here VR meets only JP and DG. So VR also actually met JP because VR entered with JP only. So there are 3 people with whom VR meets. So VR meets actually 3 people only. So इसका आंसर हो जाएगा option B, 3. And finally, who were the last 2 faculty members to leave the lounge? See, आखिरी में कौन बचा? PK आया, PK छोड़ गया immediately, छोड़ दिया PK ने. तो बचे कौन end में? JP and DG. These will be the last 2 people who will be leaving the lounge. Hence the correct answer is option D for 4th question. Okay, thank you.